Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. We've had a big oak tree fall right at the edge of our driveway, so we're going to spend some time cleaning that up. Y'all stay with us. So we're down here next to this tree that fell right next to our driveway. It's a great big oak tree, and the wind just turned it up. As you can see, it's probably fairly rotten at the very bottom, and it was leaning way over for a long time, for probably a year or two. It fell several months ago in one of the windstorms we've had. I think we can get some pretty good firewood out of it. Probably a couple logs. I don't think they're sawmill logs, but just a couple big logs to split on the log splitter and use for firewood probably next season. But we're going to get to it. Probably go get the tractor and get some of this work done. So I think what I'm going to do is cut the top of the tree off, go to the other end and cut the stump off that's rotten, and then get the tractor in here with a grapple and pick it up and pull it off this bank, because it's really kind of a steep hill right here, and I'm afraid it may roll off the hill. So I'll pick it up, pull it away off the bank, and then probably cut it into 2 or 3 logs, and then with the grapple I'll take those logs up to the wood splitter. I'm going to cut this off first, and then cut that other off right over there.
Okay.
And hopefully both of those will just kind of drop.
And then we're going to try to get those out for some firewood.
And then, yeah.
Okay.
From here back, we'll cut up the logs. From here down, we can probably get some firewood out of it.
Yeah, we may have to just chain it up.
On the way over here.
I know it.
It might roll off the hill. That went okay, didn't it?
Yeah.
I think that worked out all right.
Looks pretty hollow.
Well, it does, doesn't it?
Let's take a little closer look inside. It's really kind of pretty. I don't have a light to shine up in there. You got a light? I don't know. Curious how far up there it's hollow.
So this tree, as you can see, is very hollow. Don't know how far it's hollow, but I think I'm gonna cut it about 10 or 12 feet here, and it'll just be firewood. It's not very straight. The rest of it, I think, is really had a lot of limbs, very knotty, and I don't think it's very straight for a sawmill log. So probably this entire tree will be firewood. We'll probably end up splitting it and burning it next season.
Well, we kept it on the bank.
Yes, we did. That was goal number one. It's actually, I guess, solid.
Yeah.
There. I don't know how far back it goes that it's not. But that turned out okay. That'd be really good firewood for next season. It's solid oak. That'd be good.
So that was kind of crazy. Not as crazy as that. You don't really have a hold of it. You don't have any teeth in it. Gently open up, but don't lift it. Hey, Lower it and back out.
So I think that's going to wrap it up for today. Sarah and I were able to get this tree that had fallen several months ago, cut up in the logs, and using the grapple, we took it over next to the wood splitter. So I think that's ready to go. It was really kind of a unique surprise to see all that water pouring out of the bottom of that tree. I don't think I'd ever seen that before. That was pretty cool. But it's pretty good to get this cleaned up and out of our way, off of our driveway. So we're gonna call that a day. If you like watching our videos, click the subscribe button, hit the like button, send us some comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.